delicious meal. Trust me guys, it's really delicious. I tasted it once, I tasted it twice, and I was like, wow. Hey guys, welcome to Glory's Food Diary. So I'm going to be cooking Chinese rice stick. I'm going to cook this rice stick my own way. To start off, I would use my shrimps, green peppers, eggs, soft chicken. As you can see, it looks tender. I'm going to use cabbage for garnishing. These are carrots. I had to shred them to look this cute. Spring onions, fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper. I'll use the plantain to garnish the food. To start your cooking, get a clean bowl, dip the rice stick into the bowl and then pour hot water. Please do not cook your rice stick like the way we cook regular Nigerian rice. Soak it in hot water, then you cover it for a few minutes. Start doing your stir fry. So to start my stir fry, I'm going to put a clean pan on fire. So guys, this is how it looks. I already drained the water and this is what I have. You can see it's not looking too soaked. It looks bright. Okay, I'm going to pour groundnut oil into my pan and let it heat up. Immediately I poured eggs. I'm going to stir the eggs immediately. Then I'm adding onions and also stirring because I don't want it to get burnt. So I'm adding shrimps. These shrimps, I got them from the market and I washed them. So I'm going to add shrimps to give it that, taste. And I'm stirring immediately as well. I don't want anything to get burnt, so you just have to be fast. Then I added green peppers and I'm stirring as well. So these are green peas. I just added green peas and I'm stirring immediately. In this food, we're going to be doing a lot of turning and stirring. That's because you don't want anything to get burnt. I just added pomo or cow skin. In Nigeria, we call it pomo. So the reason why I'm adding pomo is because I want to give it that Nigerian taste. Like I said, I'm going to cook this rice stick my own way. So guys, I got some cooking utensils and I'll be using them as I progress in my cooking videos. This spoon here is part of what I got. I hope you guys like it. It's so cute. I like the hand, it's pink, and then I like to have fun in my kitchen. So I also got this grater and I used it to shred this carrot. It was really easy and fast. So I'm going to stir this carrot immediately as well. I don't want anything to get burnt. So I'll be stirring. Now I'm going to add my soft chicken and stir immediately. Why am I adding chicken? Because I want to have that crunch. As you're eating, I want you to taste the pomo and the chicken and every other good stuff going on here. So like I said, this is my own choice. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to join this amazing family. I just added fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper. And if you notice, I'm pouring everything in the bowl because I need that texture, to marry my ingredients together. I don't want to add water from anywhere. I don't want it to be, too messy. I just want it to be right. So when you're cooking your stir fry, there are no rules really, whatever works for you. I just added spring onions and I'm going to be stirring immediately. So in this food, there is no time to rest. Just keep turning and turning until you feel you are done. I just added rice stick into the cooking pan and I'm going to be stirring it. While I'm stirring this, let me use this opportunity to introduce myself to you guys. I am Glory Rex. I love to create amazing content here on YouTube. This is my cooking tutorial. I have handwork series. I have poetry videos, lots and lots of tips and tricks, random ideas and everything juicy just for you guys. So please feel free to check out my other videos and also turn on your post notification bell so when I post a video, you will definitely be the first to know. I hope you guys like what I'm doing. You can try it out. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you tried my recipe or if you tried to cook it your own way. Please leave me a comment. I will be very, very glad to know how you guys did it. I'm adding my stock. If you noticed, I didn't take the watery part. I just took the thick parts to mix it with what I have. Guys, this looks really delicious and inviting. Okay, so I am a Nigerian girl. I love to cook with stockfish. I'm going to be adding a generous amount of stockfish. The aroma in my kitchen right now is compared to none. So I'm stirring immediately. I don't want anything to get burnt. You can see everything is looking good. So, wow. Looking at this food, I feel like reciting more poems. Okay, so I just added black pepper or Cameroon pepper. I don't want it to be too peppery, but just right. So I'll be using dark soy sauce. That's for the color and the taste soy sauce adds to meals. So I'm going to stir it immediately. I don't want it to get burnt and I want everything to be evenly distributed. As you can see, I'm stirring. Like I mentioned in this video, we'll be doing lots and lots of stirring. So please, when you're cooking this, don't get tired of turning until you are done because you wouldn't want anything to get burnt. Cook with low heat, guys, so that you won't burn your food. I'm going to have a taste to know what to add and then I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Delicious. Okay, so this is what I have. This was why I added my soy sauce because I want that look. So guys, I'm going to taste it again to be sure that everything is right. I'll just cover it and let it just cook for a few minutes. Now I like to clean, so I'll just clean everywhere because I don't want any stain at all. So can you see the flame circulating around the cover of the pot? Don't mind me, I just like to have fun anyways. Ooh, see the steam, the food is ready and I just can't wait to enjoy this meal. I wish you guys are here with me to enjoy this delicious meal. Trust me guys, it's really delicious. I tasted it once, I tasted it twice and I was like, wow, this is so delicious and I'm so proud of myself to make this delicious meal. Please try it and leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll be very glad to know you did. Ooh, this is my Chinese rice stick cooked my own way with my barbecue chicken. That's it, guys, for this episode of Glory's Food Diary. Please come back and watch more amazing videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Until the next video, bye guys.